Let's learn the animal's name by ABC. Which animal names start with letter A?
It's alpaca. A is for alpaca.
B is for?
It is bat. B is for bat.
C is for?
It's just a cute cat. I like cat.
D is for?
It is the deer. Have you seen the baby deer?
E is for?
It is the eel. This fish contain electricity.
Next part will come soon.
For then, please like, share, and subscribe.